Dang. Sorry about that. That was pretty lame. Dang, this looks all kinds of wrong. But I can fix it by doing one of these. One of those moves. Bam. Alright, and then we do that, we do that, we do one of the old. We give it the old. Alright, big O X. There you go. Bam. Oh, does it not have a. It's hard to tell to see that. Let's do one of these. Bam. There you go. It pops off the top. Just like that. Okay, that's showing up no problem. I'm going to destroy, set object type to 99. But no. Alright, and then I have it be where if we're at 99, should be able to destroy 4, and then yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Alright, well, so that's a problem I'll have to solve here in a minute. I wonder what I could do about that. Probably can run a function that's just like a loop, like boom, 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 right there, 3 by 3. Let's see if this will work first. So build mode, floor, bam, 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 bam. Undo, bam, bam. Goodbye. Alright. Put a right here. So bam. Right, come back. Bam. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, see, it didn't do that, what I want to do. So let's do a function. Add function, and this is spawn wall 16 by 16. That's what it's going to be. I feel like an easier way to do this would be just to run a code that detects where there isn't a wall. Man, I don't want to do that. So because I could run a check, and I'd rather just run a check right here. So we go right here, and this is my wall. All right, and so here, that's the center, and one will be the corner. We'll figure that out. Okay. Function. Oh, you know what? Since I, if we're moving based on the cursor, then anywhere that cursor is that is not overlapping a room or thing should just spawn a wall. I want to try that. Okay. And see here, if cursor, ooh, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be a little bit stupid as well. But all right. Okay, so make sure it's working. Okay, over here. Nope, that does not work. Um, so yeah, I'm done. Replace object to room with, I need the cursor. There we go. That's what I need to do. Boom, boom. Testing, removal. That's okay. No, that still won't work because frick. Well, this one will work, but this one I need to run a function. And what we'll do is function, and function will go for respawn. And this is 0, 2, 3. Or wait, no, this would be cursor. I have no idea if this is going to work. Oh gosh. Why 60? All right. So we'll do. Yeah. So loop index loop x 16 times 16. I wonder if +3 will work. That'd be funny. So, let's try function. Build wall. Okay, so we're gonna do. We're gonna go here. This work. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go. Oh, yeah, I don't even know what I was trying to do there. You know what? Forget. Let's do wall check. And what a wall check will do, it'll run this code. How do I do this? Yeah, it's gonna check. That's what it's doing. It's ripping loop x, loop y. That would work. It's just it'll double it up, and I don't want to double it up. I just want to create where there isn't anything. How would I tell it? Wall check. All right. I'm gonna do a little debug in here. That didn't work. All right, time to go to old Google here. How to loop check for object. Man, do I have to create an array for this? Because I could do that. Like I could like log each cell into an array and record where the walls are there, and then run that kind of check. Like that's too much. Could work, but I don't feel like. Just need to figure out how to detect something based on something else here. You know, instead of destroying the walls, I could just make them disappear. And then if there's nothing, man, that could be yeah, that would be simpler. Instead of just bringing stuff in and out, I just make it invisible. Um, hold up, hold up. Oh my god, it's so much simpler. I can just go, if it's overlapping 2D, place it. No, it's overlapping 2D placement. Then set the wall invisible. Else set the wall visible. That's the thing itself. So now I don't need to destroy anything. Hold up, let me go back here and make sure I'm not destroying stuff. Okay, yeah. Let's see if this will work. All right. Okay. All right. So now you're being lame. Oh, duh. 2D wall. There you go. Visibility. Okay. Bam. All right. Yeah, that should be working. Boom, boom. Let's add some tests out. All right, and then we're going to destroy. All right, so I want the loss to destroy. Look at that. Simple. Isn't that how it goes? Sometimes the easiest way to do things is probably the simplest way to do it. Or, duh. That's the easiest. The best way to do something is probably the simplest way to do it. Like, I don't know. It's kind of like magic sometimes. You know, like magic really works because it's just so stupid. You don't think about it, but that's, yeah, there you go. That's, what do I know though? That's just, probably one way, probably not even the best way to do that. I mean, there's a lot I'm not really even considering about all that right now. Like, that method may be the wrong method, you know, down the line. But for building buildings, though. Like I'm thinking, like if that's just yeah, if the wall isn't covering over a room, then yeah, it doesn't matter. So just it's either shown or not. But like where that might be a problem is something like, let's say like with SCP-096, who can like break through walls to get them. Like maybe it escapes, busts through all the walls, and now you have an open hole. And like, what does that mean? Like I got to repair that somehow. So I got to repair that by placing um walls back, building something. But I'm wondering. But sometimes I'm wondering, like, well, maybe it might be funny, like, if he breaks through, like, you can't build stuff in those places, like, you just have a gaping hole. Or, I mean, just because I have those normal walls, default walls, doesn't mean I can't build walls back into it. So, like, so those are the default walls, but then I can probably just have a wall system where you can replace them with walls. I don't know. Have to cross that bridge when we get there. Um, but as far as I know, we have a good system. I have a good system here for building stuff. Other than decoration, like there's so much stuff I can do, like to help make this better, like a better sim. Like decoration wise. But I don't know. I think it's a good start. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. Thanks for